Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I wanted to show you what kind of the process to get your Logie5 account set up, get signed in, add it to Google Chrome, and get started using this phenomenal tool that is just, it's so good. I'm absolutely loving it. It's seriously changing the way that I do this business. It makes it so easy and I'm just loving it. So I love to share things that I love. So here we go. I'm going to show you the sign up process. Let's dig in. So when you click on someone's link, please use someone's referral link because it doesn't cost you anything and it benefits those of us that are out here sharing. So whether you click on my link or somebody else's link, just make sure you click on someone's link. But this is going to give you 50% off for life. It's going to bring you to this landing page. You're going to see cute little Logie mascot. You can read more about it, all the good stuff. If you're like, hey, I'm ready to go. So you'll click start now and it will prompt you to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, it's going to send you an email and you're going to go to your email and you're going to confirm that email address. Once you do that, it's going to have you enter your personal information, your name, your phone number, password. Now, make sure you're careful on your phone number because this is going to be how you log in. So you want to make sure you're using a phone number that can receive text to confirm that sign in if needed. So once you do that, then you are good to go. You're going to add Logie to Google Chrome. It's a free extension. All the benefits are with your membership though. Okay. So anybody can download the extension, but if they're actually going to have the full tools, that's another story. So once you log in, whether you're getting a free account or you're getting a paid account, and I'm going to give you guys a little hot tip real quick. If you are not sure about Logie5, I want you to take advantage of this. If you think that you might want this in the future, if you get the smallest account on like this, I think it's the silver at a monthly thing, at any time in the future, you're locked into that 50% discount. And so you can upgrade to annual, you can upgrade to gold, you can upgrade to platinum at any time and still have that for 50% discount on those higher tiers. So if you're like, I can't this month, it's just, I've got too much going on, or I'm not 100% sure, I would say like, just lock into the silver. I don't want you guys to have to pay full price. Okay. So if you are seeing this prior to August 31st, 2026, please take advantage of this. I've got a link here again, or if whoever shared this with you, please click on their link. Just make sure you're clicking on someone's referral link. It doesn't cost you anything. And it helps us out to make these tutorials, things like that. Once you have it, we're going to let me show you how to add it to Google Chrome because it will bring you up to that page to add it. Bring up a page that says add to Chrome. You're going to add it to Chrome and then you can toggle the different things on. And I want you to go to the actual thing where it says details. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on this pin to toolbar. You want this to show blue. That way it's going to be up here. It's going to be at the top of your Google Chrome, the top right, and it's going to have this symbol is the Logie5 symbol button that is pinned on there. And that way you can click that and it will be added to your bar and you can access it really easily. So that's how you get it added to Chrome. And I want to show you a little hot tip that you might not have discovered as you've been playing around on Amazon with Logie5 is it's like off Amazon searching for creator connection. So check this out. So you'll get a Logie5.com sign in. Just if you click, if it's not coming up, just click on the start now for free and it'll recognize your cookie that's on the computer, or it will just have you log in. But you're going to go to this little tab says discover, and look at this, guys. This is basically a mirrored creator connections platform with all of the creator connections campaigns. And look at this, with all the filters to search different creator connections campaigns. Now you have different capability based on what plan you're on, but even the free one, you can still like search. So you're not getting throttled on creator connections, which is huge, right? We all get that website temporarily unavailable. It's gross. It's annoying. It's just so frustrating. So here you can search, browse all the things with Logie5, and Guys, you can do this from your device. You can do it from your tablet. You can do it from your phone. Use it. It's amazing. So let's do a testing. Look at this. You've got lots of different campaigns here. They're going to have great information. It's going to tell you, hey, this is a sales rank. This is the price that it's at. This is how many stars it has. This is how many reviews it has. This is your on-site score, and it's going to give you an AI write-up, just as if you had a product research expert in your ear saying, hey, this is why this is a great idea, or this is why this is a bad idea. It even might tell you, I had one that told you how many, the best amount of length time-wise for your video for that deal. Are you kidding me? So good. And you can click here. It'll pop up on Amazon and you can see stuff. Shows you the videos. These 50% off samples are a Logie, like regular Logie deal. They have deals with brands where you can actually purchase through Logie different brands samples that are on Creator Connections for 50% off. And it's purchased through Logie. So you get the stuff and it's cheaper if you're not wanting to wait around for samples, or you don't want to pay full price. So anyway, lots of great stuff. Look at this. We're going to do a sample one. We're going to say we want at least one brand video. We don't want any more than 10 creator videos. And, oh, wait, we don't want the minimum 10 creator. We want the max 10 creator. We want an upper carousel. And let's say we want something that is $100 at least. And we want it to at least have a 4-star rating. And we want it to be selling at least 1,000 a month. Okay. And then you can even figure out what percentage you want to, if that's it. Okay. So we're going to apply has a CC campaign and apply filters. Okay. So now it's going to search just like it would in Creator Connections and pull up anything that fits within your criteria. Look at this. I've got a 97 here. So this is a leaf mulcher. So it's going to say, hey, here, this is how many it's selling. The average is 59 seconds for a video. Like, look at this. Are you serious? Like, it even tells you the name of the things. And there's Mike's. Hi, Mike. You can see the videos that are doing well. Like the AI will write it down. So good. It's going to tell you what the commission rate is and what's going well with this. Okay. So you can browse through here, whatever your requirements are, and it's going to show you this information. So there's just a little hack for you. I will probably be doing a longer video on this in the future, but I just wanted to help you sign up and show you a little special section that you might not have found. It actually, I had to ask for help on how to find that. So hopefully that you'll have fun with that. But I'm excited about this tool. It has been amazing. It is growing, and just be patient. It's still in beta testing stage, and they're really fast to work the kinks out, but it might be a little glitchy. It might not be perfect. Make sure to join the Logie5 or Logie4 influencers on Facebook. And I'm not tech support, but I'm happy to help you if I can. For tech support, you can go on your Logie5 and there is a contact button to put in a ticket, and they will be with you and fix your thing as soon as they can. They're doing a great job at helping everybody. So I am so excited about this. Again, click the link, check it out, at least get the minimum one. So you're locked into that 50% rate. Like, and you can cancel it. Like if you're like, this actually is not panning out for me, you can totally cancel it. But if you think that you might, at least get the silver monthly. That way you are locked into that 50% rate. So thank you guys. I'm so excited for this, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.